Although the Tesla Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg experienced its own set of delays, the facility was completed quickly in comparison to other high-profile projects in the area. After nearly 2 years of construction, the massive electric vehicle factory finally began operations. Given the time it took to build and fully approve the facility, the officials stated that Giga Berlin demonstrates that Germany can be fast. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at some latest updates at Tesla Giga Berlin. Curious to know? Let's find out. Tesla appears to be returning with a vengeance in the second half of 2022. Gigafactory Shanghai is reportedly targeting an impressive output of 3K vehicles per day after factory upgrades. Giga Berlin is reportedly targeting a somewhat similar milestone of 3,000 Model Ys per week beginning October 2022. If Tesla Germany succeeds, it will be a huge win for Gigafactory Berlin. After all, the facility was only permitted to begin vehicle production in March of this year. Elon Musk stated last month that the Gigafactory Berlin could already produce 1,000 Model Ys in a week. In last week's earnings call, Tesla SVP of Powertrain and Energy Engineering Drew Bolino also mentioned that Giga Berlin could reach 5,000 vehicles per week by the end of this year. According to industry insider TeslaMag.de, who cited sources familiar with the situation, Giga Berlin employees have been working in 2 shifts since Monday with the goal of producing 1.5K Model Ys per week. This figure is expected to rise, at least until Tesla Germany can produce 3,000 Model Ys per week. This milestone is expected to be reached in October. On a 5-day workweek, Giga Berlin would produce about 600 vehicles per day at a rate of 3K Model Ys per week. Tesla Germany would reportedly use 3 shifts of workers at Giga Berlin in early October with 80% staff occupancy. According to the publication, one of the obstacles preventing Giga Berlin from ramping up vehicle production has been waste from gigapresses for the Model Y's rear underbody. However, thanks to recent Giga Berlin upgrades, wastage from the gigapresses has reportedly been reduced by about 10%. Also, Giga Berlin has only been open since March, but Tesla plans to add a 3rd shift to the factory before the end of the year, bringing production up to a full 24 hours per day. Following the official opening, production began with a single shift, as with any new factory. Tesla was able to add a 2nd shift just 2 months after the launch, due to months of preparation and production line testing prior to the launch. The addition of the 2nd shift increased the factory's production to 16 hours per day, from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. daily. With production steadily increasing and more employees being hired, Drive Tesla has learned that the company plans to add a 3rd shift in December 2022. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, by adding a 3rd shift, the factory will be open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This should allow Tesla to increase factory output to 5,000 Model Y SUVs per week by early next year. As stated by Drew Bolino, Tesla's Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering during the company's Q2 2022 earnings call. Only performance variants were produced when the factory first opened, but in recent months the factory has added the long-range variant to their production lines. In addition, the factory has been testing a variety of different production processes in preparation for adding them to their lines. Tobias Lind writes in the description of the latest drone flyover video that the company has already produced a Model Y with a single-piece front casting, a Model Y with a single motor, and a Model Y with a white interior. These are signs of progress toward the production of all Model Y variants in Germany. Not only that, but a Model Y with a structural battery and 4680 type battery cell has also been produced using Texas parts, while the paint shop is testing new colors: Mercury, Silver Metallic, and Deep Crimson Multicoat, in addition to the standard black and white initially produced. Tesla teased new colors in October 2021 at the Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg County Fair. According to the information found in the Tesla app, 3 new colors are in the works: Deep Crimson Multicoat, Abyss Blue Multicoat, and Mercury Silver Metallic. The new colors are expected to increase interest in Tesla vehicles, which have previously been available in only 5 colors, none of which were as advanced as the new ones. According to Tesla, some of the test vehicles will be sent to the United States for validation. This isn't the first time Tesla's Deep Crimson paint has been spotted in public. Drone flyovers of the Fremont factory in June 2021 revealed a Model S body painted in the yet-to-be-released paint option. Deep crimson paint is particularly intriguing because CEO Elon Musk has previously stated that it is his personal favorite color. Musk has stated that Giga Berlin will have an industry-leading paint job. With this in mind, Giga Berlin is expected to offer color options that Tesla's other factories do not. However, only time will tell when the new colors will be available and how much they will cost in comparison to the standard black and white colors. Tesla Giga Berlin is still in the works. So far, the first phase of the factory has only produced one car. However, Tesla has stated that Giga Berlin should be capable of producing approximately 500,000 vehicles per year, allowing the facility to meet the region's demand for the all-electric crossover. According to EV industry observer Chris Zheng, Tesla is looking to replace IDRA as the company that manufactures the gigapresses. The winner was Böhler of Switzerland, which was Tesla's preferred choice in 2019, when it was looking for a company capable of producing the gigapress. The Swiss company initially declined the job, but after witnessing IDRA's success, it is more than willing to oblige now. Zheng cites data from employees of a Chinese startup that compares Tesla production and vehicle performance. According to reports, the Chinese startup intends to use integrated die castings similar to those used in the Tesla Model Y, so they should be familiar with the subject. Böhler gigapresses are expected to outperform IDRA's offering as well. Tesla's gigapress supplier will be switched from IDRA in Italy to Böhler in Switzerland next year, Chris Zheng wrote on Twitter. It is also one of the world's 6 largest die-casting conglomerates. It turned down Tesla's request for a 6,000-ton level gigapress in 2019, but their products now outperform. Of course, there's no way to confirm this with Tesla because the company's public relations department was closed long ago. However, the rumors appear to be consistent with recent reports about the poor performance of IDRA's gigapresses at Giga Berlin. This is noteworthy given that Tesla employs Italian die-casting machines at 3 of its gigafactories, including the crown jewel, Giga Shanghai. None of them had such a high rejection rate as Grünheide, which was estimated by Aifacher sources to be more than 60%. Dropping IDRA may seem extreme, given that no other company responded to Tesla's call for a massive die-casting machine in 2019. Certainly, the team in Italy must be worried sick right now, unless Tesla has reassured them in some way. Given its massive expansion plans, it's also possible that Tesla wants to add another supplier for the gigapresses. According to sources, while the company could have looked to expand their current plant, they would instead mirror their current factory. The construction of this new plant, however, has been postponed indefinitely, according to the report. Tesla's priority at Giga Berlin remains the startup of a car and cell production at the European facility. However, the company is clearly planning to increase its production rate in the future. It is unclear whether Tesla will re-engage with the German government for permissions in the future, but the automaker may look to do something similar at other locations. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about Tesla's gigafactories? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.